How to insert a watermark in Google Docs. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then open the document where you want to add a watermark. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down list, select Watermark. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen where you can choose between adding an image or text as your watermark. To insert an image watermark, click on Select Image, upload your preferred image, and use the Scale and Fade options to adjust its appearance. If you prefer to use a text watermark, click on the Text tab. Here you can type your custom text, choose the font, size and style, adjust the transparency, and decide the placement, either behind or in front of the text. Once you are satisfied with your watermark settings, click Done, and your watermark will be applied to your document. You can always reopen the watermark panel if you need to edit or remove it later. And that's it. Now you know how to insert a watermark in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.